Every fresh loaf begins its journey long before it reaches the bakery shelf.
Carefully selected wheat is delivered and stored under controlled conditions. Every batch is tested to ensure consistent quality and safety. Computer-controlled systems measure every ingredient with remarkable accuracy. Powerful mixers transform simple ingredients into perfectly developed dough. Yeast works quietly, creating the structure that gives bread its light texture. Precision equipment ensures every loaf begins with identical portions.
Each portion is shaped for consistent baking and appearance. During proofing, the dough expands into its final form.
Intense, carefully controlled heat transforms the dough into freshly baked bread. Fresh from the oven, every loaf must cool gradually to preserve its texture. The cooling process allows moisture to settle evenly throughout the loaf. Advanced inspection systems verify that every loaf meets strict quality standards. Precision slicing delivers evenly cut bread ready for packaging. Automation keeps the packaging process both fast and hygienic.
Every package receives a secure seal and complete traceability information.
Even after packaging, every loaf undergoes one final inspection. Industrial robots prepare thousands of loaves for efficient transportation. Finished products are stored only briefly before beginning their journey to stores.
Pallet secured. Doors closing. Watch your back. Trucks rolling out.
An efficient logistics network ensures fresh bread reaches stores while it's still at peak quality.
Every delivery is carefully timed to keep shelves stocked with freshly baked products.
Within hours of leaving the factory, fresh bread is ready for customers.
Consumers look for freshness, quality, and consistency in every loaf.
The final step in the supply chain connects factory craftsmanship with everyday life.
That's it, all done.
Thank you so much.
Ready to enjoy your delicious bread?